Okay, so I got the new shaft and it's all mocked up. Everything fits correctly. Um, and yeah, that's what it looks like without a boat around it. Engine's still not done. I'm waiting on a valve and a bunch of gaskets. But I'm gonna take the propeller off and stuff the packing nut, and then stick the shaft. I'll take it off the engine, then stick the shaft back through the shaft log so that it's going to be back outside the boat, and then the diver can install the propeller at his convenience. Yeah, expensive, but can't go anywhere without it, even though it's a sailboat. And look at this place. Who's gonna clean this mess up?